If we get to a point 12, 1, 2 o'clock and everybody's dragging ass out here and hurting, I want Doc and Barry to call it, okay? You, whoever. Like, we got to be smart about this. I know everybody wants tomorrow off, and I would love to have it too. But if it's not feasible, it's not feasible. I would rather, if we have to come back and work for 4 or 5 hours tomorrow morning until it gets hot and then just be gone by lunchtime, it's fine. That's what we planned on from the beginning anyway. But I just wanted to say that because I'm on Doc's ass to make a call at the right time. But overdoing it, we can't get it back. We can do more tomorrow, but we can't kill our people. It ain't good for us. So if we get to that point and we call it, I just want everybody to be good with it, okay? We'll work through it. Maybe. Sí. Tiene mucho calor. Maybe necesita esta tarde, dice, no más. Terminada mañana. Ya. Maybe no. Maybe todo es bien, pero no necesita todo malo. Tiene mucho calor. Okay. Okay. All right. Yo voy. Gracias. Those two dumbasses over there. They talk a real big talk right now. It's 9:42 in the morning. So they're over there acting like a bunch of hoodlums, like they can hang, but you give them 2 hours, they're gonna be over dragging their butt. I won't be here to talk junk to them then, but I'll talk junk to them when they get back to the shop. All right, I'm Jordan Lambeth, Lambeth Asphalt. Just been out here today, this morning, helping with the guys, showing you guys what we do, kind of day in, day out, kind of what we're looking for. This job with Mavis was one that kind of consisted of setting some new stone, changing some grades where they allowed us to, making sure that we had smooth tie-ins on the service bays, and then on the turn-down sidewalks in the front, raising those up where they're flush for ADA standards. But just wanted you guys to see what we do, kind of how things work. They're picking on me because I only come out here when the camera's here, but anyway, I was able to come out here, work with these guys just like old times and enjoy myself being able to do that. Much rather be out here than in the office. But if you're in need of any kind of asphalt paving, feel free to reach out to us, LambethAsphaltServices.com, or you can call in, schedule a time for us to come out and take a look at your site and get you an estimate. 336-9